Hi everyone! I'm here to show you how to add bookmarks to your bookmark bar. We're going to be adding two sites to our bookmarks today, and we're going to be doing it in two different ways. First, you want to make sure you've opened Google Chrome. I already have it opened, and the icon looks like this. It should be on your Chromebook desktop. Now, we need to make sure that our Bookmarks bar is visible. To do so, we will go up to the three dots that I see in the top right-hand corner of the Google Chrome web browser. Go ahead and click that so your menu appears. Then you're going to want to hover over the word bookmarks, and you'll see that some more options have appeared. At this point, we want to make sure that the words Show Bookmarks Bar has a check next to it. Mine currently does not have a check next to it, so I'll go ahead and click it now so that you can see a new bar has appeared. And if yours looks like this and it already has a check next to it, you are good to go, and you can go ahead and just click anywhere in the web browser to make sure your menus disappear. The first site that I would like to bookmark is our school's homepage. You may already be there, but I am not. So in the internet address bar, I'm going to make sure that I type mullicaschools.com. Once I've done that, you can hit enter. I am now here at our school's homepage. At this point, I can add it to my bookmark. I'll show you an easy way to do that right now. In the address bar, you click and make sure that all the text is highlighted. Then you can hold down your mouse on top of the text and drag it down into the Bookmarks bar. Once you release, your bookmark has been added. That's pretty easy. Now let's go ahead and add Google Classroom using a different way to bookmark. In the internet address bar, you will click, make sure all the text is highlighted, and type classroom.google.com. You can now hit enter to bring up the web page. At this point, you should be at your classes page. You should see all the classes that you have been added to, either by your teacher or using a class code. This is the page that we want to bookmark to our Bookmarks bar. Now, we could click highlight and drag, but another way to do it is to go back to the three dots in the top right-hand corner, hover over Bookmarks again, and then click Bookmark This tab. Once you've done that, you are now able to name it whatever you like. I'm going to name it Google Classroom, and I want to make sure it's still under Bookmarks bar. Now you can click Done, and you will see it's been added to bookmarks. So if I click this bookmark, it's a quick and easy way to take me to the Mullica School District webpage. If I click this one, it's a quick and easy way to take me to Google Classroom. There's a couple more sites that I would like you to bookmark. Let's go through them together. The next one is your teacher website. So we are going to go to sites.google.com/view/Miss Pipitone. I will make sure that the links are copied into your social studies slideshow for this week, so if you'd like to copy and paste for ease, you certainly can do so. Let's now hit enter to go to this site, and here is your teacher's webpage. I'm going to now go ahead, highlight all of my text, click and drag it to my bookmarks bar. But it automatically names it navigation. I want to change that. So I will right click and I will click Bookmark Manager. Now this is where all of my bookmarks are located. Next to navigation, I'm going to scroll all the way over to the right for those three dots again. Once I've clicked those three dots, I will now click Edit. Now I'm able to change the name. I'm going to change it to Miss Pipitoon's website. And then I'll click Save. And it has automatically updated it for me. I'm going to have to click it right now. Perfect. Now, we'll dive into my website a little bit later in the week, but there's a... All right, so at this point, we should have the Mullica School District website already bookmarked. We should have Google Classroom already bookmarked. And we should have your teacher website already bookmarked. There's a few other things that I want you to bookmark, and I have another easy way for you to bookmark them just using the slideshow that you're in right now. Another thing I want you to bookmark is Edpuzzle. As we work throughout the year, you'll be using Edpuzzle to watch videos and answer questions for an assignment. To go ahead and bookmark this, you'll click the logo here, and you'll see that the website pops up. Hover over the website, click and hold, drag it up to your bookmark bar, and bam, it's been added. Another one is Think Central. Think Central will be used to access your ELA Journeys materials, such as your textbook and leveled readers. Let's add that there. Click the logo, click and hold the website, and drag it up to your bookmark bar while still holding. The next one is Connect Ed. Connect Ed is where you will access your social studies materials, such as your textbook. Click the logo, hover over the website, click and drag. Now right now it says Reading Wonders. We'll have to go and edit that, but let's add the other two sites first. ExactPath is another great site that you guys will be able to use to play learning review games. A lot of you are already familiar with this. So let's click the logo, hover over the internet web address, click hold, drag while still holding, and drop in your bookmark bar. And finally, link it. Link it will be used to take some tests during the year online. So let's click and hold for this internet address bar and add it to our bookmark bar. We have a lot of great bookmarks ready to go for us. Let's go ahead and edit the names of some of these. Right-click anywhere on your bookmark bar, scroll down to where it says Bookmark Manager, and click. We are now at a page where we can edit any names that can be confusing for us. Right now, the one that says Mullica School District, Google Classroom, Miss Pipitoon's website, and edpuzzle.com are not really confusing. They tell us exactly where we're going. But Think Central, it might be hard for us to remember that that's an ELA resource website. So let's click the three dots next to it, click Edit, and let's just add ELA to the end of that. Click Save. Now, the Connect Ed website, for some reason, comes up as Reading Wonders, but we want to change that to Social Studies. So let's click the More Actions button, edit it, and let's type Connect Ed SS for Social Studies and save. Edmentum learning environment might be a little difficult for us to remember that it's ExactPath. So let's edit that one too and just type in ExactPath. Don't forget to save. And student link, let's go ahead and change that to link it, because that's what I'm going to be referring to it as whenever I tell you to access it. So link it and save. Now if we look at our bookmark bar, we notice that everything is properly labeled and easily accessible for us throughout the school year. Great job, boys and girls.